Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ads Manager for Instagram. First, navigate to Facebook's Business Suite and select Ads Manager from the left-hand menu. This platform provides a robust environment for creating sophisticated ad campaigns, allowing you to reach specific audiences effectively. Understanding its interface is the first crucial step towards successful advertising. Next, choose your campaign objective, which is the primary goal you want your ad to achieve. For example, if you aim to drive visits to your website, select traffic. If you're looking for customer information, lead generation is more suitable. Selecting the right objective ensures Ads Manager optimizes delivery for that specific outcome, maximizing your campaign's efficiency and impact. After setting your objective, define your target audience with precision. You can specify age, gender, location, and even detailed interests like hobbies or purchasing behaviors. Consider creating a custom audience by uploading a customer list or expand your reach with a lookalike audience. A well-defined audience ensures your ads are seen by those most likely to convert, boosting your return on investment. Now, establish your budget and schedule. You can opt for a daily budget, perhaps $25 per day, or a lifetime budget over a set period. Decide if you want your ads to run continuously or during specific peak hours when your audience is most active. Thoughtful budget allocation and strategic scheduling are key to ensuring your ads perform optimally without overspending, providing consistent visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.